so I'm gonna try to move the computer so you can hear this cat snoring because I think he's more loud than me. Still need video responses from you guys, or comments, or personal emails, or something, because I've only gotten one, and I already made a video response about it, and I need something to do. Freaking, y'all are gonna make me chain smoker if y'all don't give me something to talk about, so...